Step 1. Prepare the necessary parts: 4 U-bolts, 2 anchor blocks, and 8 nuts. Step 2. Position the leaf springs onto the base and place the anchor blocks in their corresponding fixed positions. Step 3. Insert the U-bolts upward from the bottom, through the spring and base holes. Then fasten them securely using nuts and a wrench. Step 4. Prepare 2 white rubber sleeves and install them at the front end of the leaf springs. Step 5. Determine the front and rear orientation. The motor head should be at the rear of the vehicle. Ensure that the adjustment rod is facing the front. Step 6. Lift the entire leaf spring assembly and align it with the base slot. Step 7. Use long bolts to firmly secure the leaf springs into the slot. Installation is now complete.